Here's a fun-filled project that you might find interesting. Welcome. My name is Rozani. I'm so glad you were able to join me. This is one of two flowers that I created from my imagination using Copier paper. And I decided that I wanted to create some contrast, so I added some diluted brown acrylic paint into the crevices between the petals. And I decided not to add any more color to this particular flower. But of course, you can add as many colors as you like. It's totally up to you. The paper was stiffened with liquid starch. And because I did use colored copier paper, I had to make sure that it wasn't too wet when I apply the diluted acrylic paint. I'll repeat the process on this orange flower, this time with some diluted red. You might wonder why I'm not using watercolor paper. It's because I have all of these accumulated copier paper scraps in abundance. Now, even though the paper itself is colored, there's no reason why you can't add additional colors, because after all, flowers can be so colorful. Now, these particular flowers are from my imagination, and the techniques for making them, petal by petal, begin to evolve in different stages as I take you through parts 1, 2, and 3 of my Patreon workshop tutorial. I will leave that link in the description for you in case you'd like to give it a try. Within the workshop, you'll get a chance to take your time and practice all of the different variations. There are so many to explore, from the basics to beyond the basics, as you add more petals to create your own unique shapes and designs while using up your colorful paper scraps. So I want to say thank you for being here, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.